We're gonna watch animal porn.
Does her pony.
Really high.
It kind of resembles me because I have a horse dick.
Looks fucking awesome. That just looks fucking nasty as fuck.
Dude, I probably have as big a dick as a horse.
You gotta become a member. Who wants to watch fucking horse sex? You gonna play?
Let's play.
Fuck!
You gotta find a 2-minute video.
Fucking owned.
You have to just find a 2-minute video.
Dude, you got fucked up.
Again.
There's a minute 56 right there.
Do it.
Dude, that's fucking disgusting.
She's gonna drown.
Oh my god! Oh!
Damn! Ew.
He's still
You
going.
up on me.
Oh my god, dude, that's so fucking nasty, dude. Holy shit. Not even watching, like, the whole video.
I'm trying not to.
Oh, dude!
How does that work? How does that fit in there?
Oh my god! Dog, she is fucking it.
If you look at it, it almost looks like it's not a horse. It looks like a man.
It could be me.
Oh my god, dude, that's so fucking nasty, bro. Oh my god, that was fucking huge. Dude, that's like...
That comes all the way from the back?
That's seriously... Oh my god, that's so fucking nasty, bro. This video
Is she gonna have
good.
horse babies?
What if she does?
Oh my god, dude, that was fucked up.
I think you got a boner.
Dude, you're